Netflix a la oficina de Blockbuster y le hace una oferta para unirse los dos, para asociarse. Le dice, cómprame mi compañía en $50 millones y nos hacemos socios. Y Blockbuster se rió, lo sacaron de la oficina el tipo. Manejaba el negocio de la le hace una oferta para unirse los dos, para asociarse. Le dice, cómprame mi compañía en $50 millones y nos hacemos socios. Y Blockbuster se rió, lo sacaron de la oficina el tipo.
Egan and the Brucker, they're doing pretty nicely. Southbound New England Thruway a bit slow coming in towards Pelham Parkway. Now in Queens, we have some slow traffic in the Van Lake north from a little north of Linden Boulevard up to Hillside Avenue and southbound from Jackie Robinson Parkway to Atlantic Avenue. Out on the LIE, getting word of a crash eastbound just past Queens Boulevard, and traffic starting to back up.
The voice was steady, and no louder than it had to be heard over the high drive. But the skin across her cheekbones was tight. Daniel was discussing alternative targets with Captain Pimentel in case the battleship was badly out of position in the Cacique system.
God
it boiled down to the fact that there were no alternatives.
Fuck!
All his heavy ships were to split their initial salvo between the two Alliance battleships, regardless of
her father was a janitor. Her mother, Pauline, a stay-at-home mom.
I think you might want her office.
Children in the 1970s, before eventually becoming a law professor, professionally at law school. Surprisingly, the traditional
Oh my goodness, you don't mind your business. Quit wedding.
Jeez, Warren, keep it in your pants! I mean, really? I have a hard time believing that this guy's legs were so amazing that she did wow. Oh, okay.
Get in that fucking car!
Oh, damn, I take it back. Those are great legs. You get it.
Do not move! Do not fucking move!
Where they've been, I think, loath to intervene is on delicate social issues like abortion. In this area.
Fucking Christ.
Well, the American Congress of Obstetricians and Gynecologists.
You fucking A, man.
Who actually do have always been political. Where they've been, I think, loath to intervene is on delicate social issues like abortion. In this area.
Fucking Christ.
Well, the American
But this regulation, as simple as we try to make it, definitely has some corners that are up for debate. So we're going to do one more deep dive on this. I think we're going to wrap up this topic. And if you are an instructor,
Thank you so. 진짜 그게 너무 좋아진 거야. Yeah. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Not because this guy. 이카이엔 때문에. You just caused an accident.
Yo quiero ir a predicar, pero me da miedo, padre. Yo voy a predicar, mire, las manos me tiemblan, me sudan las manos y yo no sé qué voy a hacer. Tengo ganas de predicar, pero no puedo. Tranquilo, que ese es el momento preciso para que usted le... Esa es la...
Are you all okay? Yeah. You okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Are you okay?
I can't hurry open my door.
It's okay, but are you okay?
It's his fault.
Daddy's gonna... You okay?
My car's undrivable.
Ew, yours is all over it.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
Hello guys, hello people. I just want to show what did I bought on Amazon.com the other day. My steering wheel was very slippery and when it's sunny it was really hot. I just bought this steering wheel cover made of PCU material and I put it on my steering wheel. It's really easy to put on. It's like this and that's it. My steering wheel was usually very slippery and hot, and now when I'm using this steering wheel cover made of PCU, it's excellent, it's perfect, it's not slippery anymore. My hands are tight on my steering wheel, I can do whatever I want, it will never slip out of my hands. It's great thing, amazing. I recommend you very strongly.